Hi everyone, welcome back to Tuesday Tips with Cris. This is Cris here with the tips to help you become the most professional you. For the month of November, I'm going to be focusing on tips on professional development. So join me this week for our first segment on tips on how to write a business plan. To stay up to date with all my tips and tricks, make sure you hit subscribe, and don't forget that you can always get more information and more tips and more examples on my blog at www.tuesdaytipswithcris.com. If you're just starting up a business and thinking of developing a business plan, then you've come to the right place. You're also in the right spot if you are a business and you haven't yet developed your business plan, whether it's because you didn't have time or you just thought that maybe it was too difficult to do or something that you feel like you didn't need. However, I'm here to tell you that a business plan can actually help all businesses, whether you're looking to get investments or not. A business plan is basically a written document that describes in full detail how a business defines its objectives and how it will go about achieving its goals. It's a roadmap for the business from a marketing, financial, and operational standpoint. You're probably thinking, why do I even want a business plan, or why would I need a business plan? If you're trying to secure financing, whether it's from getting investors or getting a loan through a bank or some other lending entity, then you want to use a business plan because it's a great way to show how you're going to generate enough revenue to pay back that loan. Not only that, but to make enough money to become more equitable. So a business plan, because of what it entails, it defines your entire operations from how you're going to sell your products, what products or services you're going to sell. All of that information is in there. And so banks and investors really like to take a look at the business plan. It gives them a clear picture of what your business intends to do and how it goes about making money. It is a great tool to use when you want to stay on track with your business objectives. Whenever you're identifying any new opportunities, whether it's a new investment, a new service, or a new product you want to offer, a completely new line of products and services, then you want to use the business plan to assess whether or not they fall in line with your core business. Businesses go through changes all the time, whether it's because of the economy or the market or the industry in general. So a business plan is a great tool to use for making assessments in the future when you may have to redefine one or more of your business strategies. Putting together your business plan is a great opportunity for you to carefully think through every step of creating your company so that you can make sure to prepare for success. It's a great chance to discover any weaknesses and identify any opportunities that you may not have thought of. So, my tips on writing a great business plan are: every good business plan is clear and to the point, short and sweet. Well, maybe not too short, but you want it to be clear and concise. Anyone from any industry should be able to read your business plan and understand exactly what your business is set out to do. Do keep in mind that the majority of the time spent developing your business plan is actually on thinking and researching. Is researching your competitors, researching your industry, researching how well your business may do in the current market. Make sure you write down your research and document where you got your information from. Do consider what you want to use your business plan for, because depending on what that is, you may have to tailor it a little bit differently. And there are different templates depending on the type of business that you have and what the purpose of the business plan is. So for example, if you're looking to get investors or a bank loan, then you want to pay special attention to the finance section and make sure that you use realistic financial data and projections. Do not forget to proofread your business plan, okay? Remember that it's the first impression that anyone gets about your business, so you want to make sure that it is clean and it is free of errors. Please don't feel like you have to reinvent the wheel. Business plans have been written since the dawn of time in some sense. So trust me, there are a lot of templates out there, most of them free. Microsoft Office Word actually comes with several business plan templates depending on the type of business that you have. If you have a professional service, an at-home business, different templates for you to choose from. That comes standard with the software. You can also find a bunch of business plan templates online for free. You can find business plan writers like me. So don't feel like you're out here alone having to write it up from scratch. There is help for you out there. And one bonus tip: go to my website, tuesdaytipswithcris.com. Visit my contacts page. Make sure you put in your name, email, and in the message box, type in business plan survey and hit send message. And as soon as I get your message, I will go ahead and respond to you to set up a free 20-minute consultation where we'll go over what your business entails, what is your industry, and what the purpose of your business plan is. Then I will go ahead and send you a personalized business plan survey put together by moi for you to help guide you through the entire process of developing a business plan. From planning and thinking and researching all the way to writing and finalizing it. And just as a special added bonus, I will give this business plan survey for free to the first 10 entrepreneurs who complete their consultation. And those are my tips for you this week. Join me next week for tips on how to negotiate your salaries, because I'm trying to help you level up financially as well. Thanks so much, guys. See you next time.